is up, guys? I just called out another trade that is in profit currently on US, not US 30, S&P 500. Just hit break 1 to 1, so I'm gonna be putting my stops to break even. I personally got a bad fill on MT5. The spreads are like really ass on FTMO sometimes. Like yesterday, my shit was just not moving and stuff. But anyways, this is the trade. Called it out in the VIP room. Look, buy limit on ES, failed, yada yada. And yeah, sorry if I don't sound that good because I am still sick. So yeah, but again, VIP room, catching good trades, and yeah. What is up, guys? TP hit, as you guys could see. Even with my bad entry, still got a nice take profit. Let me show you guys. PNL. This is the PNL. Yeah, it was pretty nice trade, to be honest. It was one of the most clear trades I've seen, just like the trade on Monday on US 30, that W on US 30. This was one of the cleanest and clearest trades ever. The drawn liquidity was clearly bullish, and everything was just bullish. And we had displacement. My order block got validated. This is the 3 minute, but my order block got validated on the 5 minute. Once that got validated and we had a slight retracement, I entered. I sent the limit in the VIP room, and yeah, take profit smashed. About to put in the Discord that the traded TP, and yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? NQ Demon here. Yeah, I'm still sick, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna got a little fresh cut, you know what I mean? Took all my hair off. I'm definitely gonna grow it out again, but I just wanted like a little reset. For everybody that tells me in the comments to wear a shirt, I'm not gonna wear a fucking shirt, okay? This is my YouTube channel. If you don't like if I don't wear a shirt, get the fuck off my YouTube videos. I don't give a fuck. And yeah, I live in a warm fucking island, bro. Like, it's always fucking warm. And if I don't have the AC on, I don't have a shirt on. So yeah, I don't wear a shirt majority of the times. So again, if you don't like that I don't wear a shirt, fuck off. I don't give a fuck, okay? My bad. But yeah, I'm a little sick right now, but we do have a nice winning trade. I have a nice winning trade for you guys that we caught in the VIP room that I wanted to give you guys a recap on. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. Damn, bro, my hair looks so fucking short. Like, damn, need to get used to this shit, bro. Yeah. So okay, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna give you guys the trade recap. Going into the day, like I already told you guys, I do mainly trade ES and US 30. Wait. Yeah, I do mainly trade ES and US 30, but today not ES and US 30. What the fuck am I saying? NQ and US 30. But today, there was literally no reason for us to long on US 30. Like, I was bullish going into the day. Like I did say in the VIP room, I'm really bullish on NQ. There is no reason to short. But there was also no, like, yeah, you could say reason or like PD array or something to give me a reason that price should go in a certain direction at a certain time. So therefore, I did not find an opportunity on NASDAQ to long. I said in the VIP room, to long NASDAQ, I'd want to see some type of fair value gap get created with this 9 a.m. candle, and then we retrace into it like this, like exactly like something like this. We retrace into it with this wick, and then add long in that wick, and that would have been my A plus setup, and that is the setup I took, but on ES. But since we did not get like an imbalance or anything, and yeah, it didn't really look clear and clean for me on NQ. I did not touch NQ, and US 30 was just kind of doing its own thing. I did see on US 30 that I'm looking for lower prices, and we got that initially. And then after we respected this imbalancer here and created this BPR, I was looking for higher prices. And I remember I called out a long right here, but it was out of time. So I paper traded it, but I called out this long, and I paper traded this right here after we created that order block and BPR targeting this previous day high. perfect textbook long, not gonna lie. But yeah. Um, so US 30 was kind of doing its own thing. I wasn't really interested in US 30. So today I said, okay, like NQ, US 30, both not really giving anything. So I'll just check on ES today. I rarely trade ES. So I said, I'm just going to check on it. And yeah, ES did have exactly what I wanted to see. And the H1 candle was looking really nice. So I went on to the lower time frame. Initially went on to the 3 minute, but then the 5 minute looked way nicer today. So I went on the 5 minute. And yeah, after we got that displacement and validated this order block, I set my limit and I just got tapped, called it out in the Discord, and I literally perfectly got tapped into that. And I had my stop below this candle's low, below the order block low. And yeah, just targeted 2RR. Pretty simple trade, not gonna lie. Again, order flow was so clear today. Like, today was the day where if you took shorts, I'm sorry, but you are not the brightest in the room. If you try to short this, I'm sorry, but I don't know what you're doing, bro. Like, you must be really early into your trading journey to be shorting this order flow. Like, this is just so bullish. The fundamentals are also bullish. Like, everything is bullish. Tomorrow, or yeah, today, because I am filming this on Thursday morning. Today, Thursday, I'm not anticipating the best price action because we had a huge range date on Wednesday, as you guys could see. Bro, I literally perfectly called out this week in the charting session, bro. Like, literally to the T. Anyways, Wednesday, huge range day. Thursday is the day after a huge range day. Plus, we have NFP tomorrow on Friday. I'm not gonna be trading because I have a driver's exam that I have to do, so I will not be trading. But going into this morning, if I would trade, I probably wouldn't be like really, I wouldn't have high expectations. I would be more cautious, and if I took a trade, might risk less. I don't know, but yeah, I would be really cautious today on Thursday, and yeah, yeah, that was basically the trade recap. ES was basically just a cleaner setup. Sorry, I keep cursing in this video. We had a lot of SMT too, like when we dropped down lower. If you look at ES took out all of these lows. Yeah, we had this clear SMT down here. So yeah, it was just looking it was just looking dumb clear. Like, one of my mentors told me once, when you see a trade that's dumb clear, take it without hesitation, because all your market experience and years of just looking at the charts, it's not telling you something for no reason. Like, if you see something and it's clear and it's literally dumb clear, then why would you not take it? You know what I mean? So I took this, even though I don't really trade ES, I took this setup without hesitation. I wasn't scared at all because it's ES and I don't trade ES. But it was so dumb clear that I needed to take the setup, because it would have been dumb of me to not take it. You know what I mean? Like, I do believe in following your rules strictly, but you have to make exceptions sometimes, because the market conditions are not always like exactly the same. Like, for example, there are a lot of instances for me when, example, my trading cutoff time is 12 p.m. But there are a lot of instances where the market conditions give a good setup after 12. That is a rule that I don't break, because I prefer, like, the time rule is something really important for me. So I personally don't break that rule of time. But for example, a rule that I only trade NQ and US 30, I can make exceptions sometimes when NQ and US 30 are just looking really unclear or not giving me the right opportunity. But ES in this scenario is giving me the perfect opportunity, an A+ setup. It's dumb clear. Like, in this scenario, I'm gonna take the trade on ES. It's dumb for me to not take it. And in this scenario, I will make an exception. So it is like, you need to follow your rules strictly, as strict as possible. And I completely agree with that. But in some scenarios, if you're a good trader and like, your intuition, because again, you're not looking at these screens for hours in and out for years straight for no reason. You will build up an intuition. You will build up some type of things that happen in your brain that you can't explain. And for example, seeing this dumb clear trade was one of the things that, even though I am breaking my rules of trading ES, it's something that, yeah, I can't explain, and I just saw that was a perfect setup, and I took it. So again, you can make exceptions, especially if you are trading for some time. You know, you can deviate in some of your plans if you trust in yourself as a trader, and you know you have that experience and that screen time. Yeah, you can definitely deviate a little bit. But again, don't do it too much. That's why this is not. It's not like I'm gonna start trading ES again. This was just in this scenario. I took a trade on ES, but I do always mainly look at NQ and US30. Anyways, I was just yapping. My ears are closed right now because I'm so sick, and I'm not liking how this feels right now. I'm just really sick. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this like trader recap, and take care.